I'm Andrea.
And I'm Jessica.
And we are graduates of the Masters in Latin American Studies program at CLASS, the Center for Latin American Studies here at Vanderbilt. And we are the co-founders of Melaka, learning about Latin American culture and arts.
Melaka is a collection of lesson plans and resources for elementary school teachers of grades 2 through 5. They teach about artistic and cultural traditions of Latin America. These hands-on activities are fun, interactive, and engaging. The lesson plans are also interdisciplinary and promote an active learning environment.
They cover a wide variety of subject areas, including language learning, geography, visual arts, history, and social studies.
Some topics include Peruvian textiles, Brazilian festivals, and Mexican and artisan handicrafts.
So why did we put this together? Basically, we wanted to increase awareness about Latin America in elementary schools. And from our own experiences growing up, we wanted to fill the gap where we didn't have many opportunities to learn about Latin America.
With this outreach initiative, we wanted to have an impact beyond campus and share our knowledge and experience with the broader community.
In each lesson plan, you'll find a list of learning objectives, vocabulary, in-class activities, and a variety of links to useful resources.
These lesson plans are also really flexible. Feel free to use them as standalone or independent lessons, or you can even adapt them for your classroom needs. For example, the average running time of each lesson is 45 minutes, but you're welcome to turn them into a mini lesson.
Each lesson plan also satisfies a number of state educational standards, so that's great.
You can also supplement the lesson plans with culture boxes and the lending library here at CLASS at Vanderbilt.
All lesson plans are available for free download in the PDF format on our website, so see the link below.
Thanks for watching, and we hope these lesson plans are helpful, and we hope you have fun
learning about Latin American culture and arts.